Your body performs millions of chemical reactions every second, but most of these reactions would take years without help. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up reactions by millions of times. Every enzyme has an active site. This is a special structure designed perfectly for specific molecules. When the right molecule fits into the active site, the enzyme holds it in the perfect position. We call this molecule the substrate. This lowers the energy needed for the reaction to happen. The reaction occurs, the product is released, and the enzyme is free to do it again. One enzyme can catalyze thousands of reactions per second. Some work even faster. They can speed up millions of reactions per second. Without enzymes, digesting a single meal would take decades. Your DNA couldn't be copied, and your muscles couldn't move. Enzymes are the speed demons of biochemistry.